it can be inferred that the passage is to be captioned with the title. We need to find the caption as the title of the passage, which has the proper relevancy to fit the passage and provide the exact message the passage wants to emphasize. Terrestrial planets in the solar system, or moons of the terrestrial planets, cannot be correct answers as the passage does not deal with all the terrestrial planets, and so it cannot cover the view given by the name in choice B, and moons of all planets are not discussed properly to have the name to represent the passage as choice D. So we can eliminate choice B and choice D. On the other hand, the passage discusses about sun in a subtle way to describe Mercury and the source of heat and light, which is secondary message in this passage, and so sun, the heart of solar system, as choice E, are unable to be the title along with choice B and D. Catastrophism in the solar system as choice A shows relevancy in few juncture to be the title, but when we compare it with choice C, given as impact craters in the solar system, then we find the impact craters denote both the catastrophism and the identity of the craters, which create the catastrophism and destruction, but catastrophism only denote destruction, which can be happened in any other way. So in the sense of relevancy, to make proper sense, we can eliminate choice A and take choice C as the correct answer and the correct title. So the correct answer is choice C.